What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different video. Because today we are going to be playing with something. No bottle flips, no stuff like that. So, yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. I'm excited. I just got this, like, a couple minutes ago. And, yeah, I'm excited to play with it. I already tested it out, and it's cool. It works, it's fine. We just put stuff in it. And I'll show you what it is. So, it is this remote control robot. Yeah, I'll show you. That's it close. See, it's just cool. And this part right here, that glows up, but I'm not sure how to do it yet. So, yeah. This is a controller, and yeah, we're gonna see one more look, and then we're gonna play with it. So, right here, and this goes up, and then back. Hardly anything. So yeah, let's go. Look, it just moved. Look at it. Okay. So this, I'm gonna try to move it. So yeah. Actually, I'm not gonna do anything. We are gonna replace for this. So yeah, let's go. What about just right here? Okay. Wait. So we're gonna test this out. Here's the controller, and let's go. Oh yeah, it glows up. If you look at this part, look at it. It glows up when you move it. Oh. That's the action background. It goes backwards. Oh, yeah. That's so cool. He's like, I'm gonna come after you. I'm gonna get you. That is freaky on the camera because it's glowing so much. Yeah, it's not glowing as much in your eyes and like not on the camera. Your face? But it's like right there. It's still glowing a lot. And you know what? The camera fell down. But it wasn't the robot's fault. The robot was all the way over there. Was the robot, now it's gonna. I'll do it right here. It's gonna knock the camera down. Get you! It's gonna knock the camera down. It's like a motorcycle starting like. Take off! Wait, this is actually called the space robot. So it's like kind of like. So it's like yeah. If you ever go on a space mission, take the space robot. But that's gonna be everybody. Straight. There we go. Right to the top. I pulled him back. I am gonna get you. That's right, you. I'm talking about you, bro. So what is some of the people I'm looking at you. Ready? Ready? Funny is. Ready? I'm gonna get you. Okay, come backwards. It's like a routine thing, like what we do in the class. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, backward. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? See what it does. Hey, what you? Look at its feet. Look at the bottom. Look at it. They're like claws. Kind of, I guess. Hey, the wire. Ready? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Backwards. He's like, oh, I'm so close. Oh, no, I'm going. It took me 4 years to get this camera. And now I'm on backwards. Yeah. That's so weird. Ready? It's ready. It's like I'm going to show you. What if I turn it and it's going? No, this way. Come on. Tug. Or it's like, okay. It took 4 years to get this camera. Oh, no. We're going to go back. Ready? Let's spend my money about evolution. Go where? Ready? It's like a partner. Wrong way. Doodlebot. That's why I call him Doodlebot. It's weird. Stop. Woo! Stop. Woo! Stop. Woo! Woo! It's a clear. I don't know where to go. Forward. Backward. Forward. Backward. Forward. Back. Forward. I don't know. It's like I still don't know. Let's just go. Let's just go in here. Yeah, let's go away from the camera. And then it's like, oh, you don't see it? Oh, now you do. Backward, backward. Ooh, look at it. It's a and like, ooh, a camera. On the phone. On the moon. There's nothing. I think he's from the moon because it's called Moonbot or whatever. Moon Robot. So yeah. Ready? I want to do this. Put the controller like this. It's hard to steer. I'll just look at the camera. Just see. You ready? And this is how you do it. You just go forward, backward. There's no like side to side options. But yeah, you can still go forward and backwards. I mean, I get it because it's a robot. I don't think there would be, one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? I'm gonna go. Ready? I'm gonna go where you can't see me. Well, you're gonna see me a little bit. Ready for your back? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, everybody. This is gonna be the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just want to do something different because I thought it'd be good to share with you. And I just got it. So yeah, we will see you all later. Bye.